Kung napanood ninyo ang last two videos natin, Summit Galleria Hotel at syempre Summit Cafe, busog na tayo. So ang tanong, saan tayo maglalakad pagkatapos kumain? Of course, Robinsons Galleria Cebu. Tara, samahan ninyo ako sa isang chill, no rush na pamamasyal dito sa mall. Lakad-lakad lang na tour. After that satisfying meal sa Summit Cafe, alam nyo yung feeling na ayaw mo lang gumalaw pero gusto mo pa rin gumalaw. Yes, that exact Filipino struggle. Good news, connected mismo ang Summit Galleria Hotel sa Robinsons Galleria Cebu. Kaya walang init, walang stress at walang excuse para hindi maglakad. Kaya tara, gawin na natin ang pamamasyal dito. Welcome to Robinsons Galleria Cebu. Isang mall na hindi masyadong overwhelming pero kompleto. Hindi siya yung mall na mapapagod ka agad. More like, okay, pwede akong mag-ikot dito na hindi nagmamadali. The mall is perfect for families, hotel guests, at travelers na may limited time. May shopping, dining, grocery, at cinema. So, what I like most, malinis, maliwanag, at relaxing vibe. Wala masyadong crowd, hindi ka hinahabol ng masyadong maraming tao at siksikan. Ikaw ang humahabol sa sarili mong lakad. One thing na hindi alam ng marami, Robinsons Galleria has 3 exhibits inside the mall. These exhibits add a cultural and artistic touch. Perfect pang break sa shopping at pagkain. It's a nice reminder that malls can be more than just stores. They can also have spaces for creativity and learning. While most Summit hotels have art on display, sa Summit Galleria Hotel, wala masyadong art, meron silang sculpture, but most of the paintings can be found sa mall. If you are my subscriber or have been watching my videos, I'm sure you already know that I love art. This is why I love doing walk tours like this. No rush, no pressure, just observing the space, the people and the vibe. From a good meal at Summit Cafe to a relaxing walk here in Robinsons Galleria Cebu. It's the kind of experience that's simple but satisfying. Quick reality check, Summit Galleria and Robinsons Galleria Cebu are in the reclamation area. So, outside the mall and the hotel, wala talagang malalakaran o mapupuntahan. So don't expect cafes or street life outside. Mas industrial ang paligid, hindi tulad sa capital site na bawat kanto ay may makikita kang ganap. But let's be real, when you already have a huge spacious mall right beside your hotel, bakit ka pa lalayo? Everything you need is already inside. Food, shopping, grocery, cafes, even places where you can sit and relax. If you want to explore Cebu's commercial areas like Ayala or IT Park, grab or taxi lang, solved na. Or even to the nearby SM Mall. Simple, quiet, and very convenient. Perfect siya para sa mga hotel guests na ayaw mag-commute para lang mag-mall. One thing I'm really enjoying Robinsons Galleria Cebu is not just about the shopping and the food. As I said, inside the mall, there are 3 exhibits that add to the cultural and artistic touch of the space. This is now the second art exhibit. These exhibits rotate and change, so every visit can feel a little different. You'll find displays featuring art, local culture, theme installation, simple but thoughtfully done. I am happy to see that there are many young artists who are exhibiting here. Looking at these artworks is perfect if you want to slow down for a bit, take photos, or just enjoy something different in between shopping and dining. It is also a nice option for families, travelers, and anyone who wants a quick cultural break without leaving the mall or dealing with Cebu traffic. Small detail, but it really adds to the overall experience here. And then we have Ding Hao Restaurant. Grabe, this place brings back childhood memories. Tuwing pumupunta kami sa Cebu, nung ako'y bata pa, we always ate at Ding Hao, but not here. It was a time when the malls do not exist. Instead, it was still at their main store in Colon at downtown Cebu. Kung lumaki kang Filipino-Chinese food lover, you know this feeling. Yung steam rice nila, simple pero legendary. This is the kind of mall you'd appreciate more when you are not rushing. Wide walkways, open spaces, and a layout that doesn't feel chaotic. If you are staying at Summit Galleria Hotel, this place really becomes an extension of your stay. You can come down anytime, morning, afternoon, and even at night, and it never feels overwhelming. It's also very practical. Whether you need food, groceries, coffee, or just somewhere comfortable to walk around, everything is already here, under one roof. For travelers, this is a big plus, especially after a long day or a heavy meal. No planning, no traffic, just a relaxed walk and a quiet moment in the city. This video wraps up our three-part walk here in Summit Galleria Cebu. We start at the hotel, simple, comfortable at tahimik. Yung tipo ng lugar na pagod ka sa biyahe pero pagpasok mo parang sinasabi ng katawan, okay, pwede na akong magpahinga. Then we move on to Café Summit, good food, busog moments at yung feeling na ayaw mo nang tumayo. Pero tumayo ka pa rin kasi may mall pa. Now, we end here at Robinsons Galleria Cebu. Spacious, relaxed, at perfect pang lakad-lakad kahit wala kang bibilhin. And what I like about the whole setup is the flow. Hotel, pagkain, mall. Magkakadikit, walang stress, walang habulan. If you enjoy this chill, walk tours, travel stories, at mga ganitong honest experiences, subscribe ka na. Huwag ka nang mahiya. Libre lang yan. Pero malaking tulong sa channel. Hit the like button, turn on the notification, at samahan mo ko sa susunod na pasyalan. Maraming salamat and see you on the next walk. Have you been?